Is steel/iron ore a good career path? Iron ore has been used in manufacturing since before the Industrial Revolution. It's likely to remain an important material for years due to its many applications, from manufacturing basic metal components to buildings and bridges. But with all the career options out there, are you sure a steel/iron ore career is right for you? Is steel/iron ore a good career path? The global steel industry is worth over $1 trillion and employs over 100 million people worldwide. If you're considering pursuing a career in iron ore, here are some things to consider. Is there a demand for your product? Iron ore has been used since ancient times. China alone uses nearly half of all iron ore mined each year. Emerging economies like India continue to expand their manufacturing industries, creating an ongoing demand for iron. There will always be more mining jobs available than skilled workers to fill them. What is steel/iron ore and what are its uses? Steel and iron ore are metals you can mine from rocks and minerals. What does the steel/iron industry do? Predictions of strong performance in the steel/iron ore industry appear likely to come true since the world is continually urbanizing, which means that demand for steel/iron ore will continue to grow. What are the career prospects in steel/iron ore? So, there are many career paths available to someone in the steel/iron ore industry. They work closely with engineers, chemists, and other scientists to ensure they can produce quality metals. The salary of a metallurgist can vary greatly depending on their experience level, but it is usually somewhere between $80,000 and $120,000 per year. An engineer's job is to design, develop, and build anything made of metal. The salary of an engineer depends greatly on their experience level and where they live, but it usually ranges from $50,000 to $100,000 per year. The job of a sales and marketing professional is to help sell products that are made out of metal. The salary of a sales and marketing professional depends on their experience level, but it usually ranges from $50,000 to $100,000 per year. An operations manager's job is to ensure that everything in their company is running smoothly. The salary of an operations manager depends on where they work, but it usually ranges from $80,000 to $120,000 per year. What skills and experience are necessary to work in this field? Regardless of the job you pursue in the steel or iron ore industry, the skills and experience necessary are often different. Working in steel or iron ore can entail certain risks. 1. Injuries, one of the most common risks of working in any industry. As is common in industrial jobs, employees may also face exposure to harmful chemicals and gases. It's one of the lowest paying industries out there. So many people work long hours and still struggle to make ends meet. What companies are in the steel/iron field? Chinese steel mills produce more than half of global production. Now that you've watched this, it's clear to see why steel/iron ore is a good career to choose.